Standard deviation is a measure of how spread out the numbers in a data set are. It shows how much variation there is from the average or mean of the data. If the standard deviation is low, the data points are close to the mean. If it's high, the data points are more spread out. In Alteryx Designer Desktop, you can use the Summarize tool in order to do standard deviation. In this example, I have a forecasted amount, I have an actual amount, and I have the forecast error. I want to find the standard deviation of the forecast error column. All I need to do is select that column within the Summarize tool, click on the Action button. Then I can find the standard deviation underneath the numeric functions. After running, I can now see the standard deviation of my forecast error. Now I can go to the Join tool palette and grab the Append Fields tool. I can append this column back to my data set in order to do further analysis.